In the next episode of our spring break trip, we head to Walmart to grab some items we forgot to pack. We get part of our dinner tossed at us at Lamberts, and finally make those Moonaritas from our visit to Casey Jones Distillery in the last episode.
Things we forgot back at home that we now have to come here to get. And we have to do it at Wally World. It's not my favorite place.
Nope. Item number 1 that we forgot.
I only literally need like half a cup.
Item number 2 isn't a forgotten item.
We ate a whole loaf of bread on the way down here.
All right, our next item we forgot wasn't necessarily a thing we forgot. We just didn't have time to pack it.
We didn't pack enough of it. The dogs can't drink the water out of the tap here. Last time that happened, it was bad.
Yeah, we've had
think Revenge of Montezuma bad.
Yeah, so now we pack the dog water.
Yes. Why is it that hot dog buns and hot dogs don't come in the same number of quantity in their packages?
Okay, you can't be in an RV without a broom. And we forgot our broom because it was not packed with the RV stuff in the basement. It was in the garage. We need a broom. And we left it in the garage at home after telling ourselves that we needed to take a broom like 17 times. And the mop. But I can live without a mop for one trip, but you cannot live without a broom. Okay, the next item on our list is loofahs because we throw them away at the end of the season and someone, myself, forgot to buy new ones.
You cannot wash oneself without the loofah.
Yes, so pick 4. I offered Pete the double loofah. He didn't want it. All right, the next item is chip clips.
We need to get out of here. Please.
But we need chip clips because we bought all the snacks in at the end of last year and all the chip clips ended up in the house. All right, last item on the list. I was having a little bit of a sheet problem and I was packing and I kind of left all the sheets at home that we needed. So clearance sheets it is.
Mom, stop talking sheet.
Well, you need sheet.
Not my favorite store.
I think we got everything we needed though. It's time to distress after our trip to Walmart, so we set out to explore the state park hiking trails that have access right from the campground. And, ever wonder what happens when a quiet evening meets really good moonshine? Stay tuned to find out as we finally mix up those Moonaritas. Put your hands up. Good job, Addie.
Smashed it.
You gonna catch mine for me? Eleanor, put your hand up higher. Yeah, Belle.
Oh, that's hot.
You saw your hand.
Thanks for catching that for me.
Anybody need butter?
Hello, Eleanor. We're leaving you a voicemail. It's nighttime, it's dark, and Dad's had a lot to drink.
If you got a good laugh from that, give the captain a thumbs up and leave a comment for allowing me to put that in the video. Next up, we set off on our electric bikes to give you a full review of the Sun Outdoors RV Resort in Gulf Shores, Alabama. You'll want to subscribe so you don't miss that next video.